Welcome to Stanford Advanced Materials' deep exploration into packing and internals for packed columns. Whether you're in distillation, absorption, or extraction, the right packing can make all the difference. Let us examine how our solutions can elevate your processes. First up, random packing. Think of it as the workhorse of packed columns. Our metal options, like stainless steel Raschig rings, are perfect for high-temperature environments, offering durability and corrosion resistance. If you're dealing with aggressive chemicals, plastic Teller rosettes are your go-to lightweight and chemically resistant. For those needing superior flow and longevity, our ceramic selections, including porcelain burl saddles and super saddles, deliver exceptional performance. Each type is designed to maximize surface area while keeping bulk density low, ensuring efficient mass transfer. Now let's talk tower internals. These components are the overlooked heroes that enhance column efficiency. Our metal internals are built tough for high-pressure applications, while plastic options provide corrosion resistance without the hefty weight. Ceramic internals stand out in high-temperature scenarios, maintaining stability where others might fail. Properly designed internals like liquid distributors and packing support plates ensure that liquid flows uniformly across the packing, preventing maldistribution and boosting overall efficiency. But what sets SAM apart? It's our comprehensive selection tailored to meet various industry needs. Whether you're implementing random packing for cost effectiveness or opting for structured packing for higher efficiency, we have what you need. Our grid packing offers high open areas and low pressure drops, perfect for applications requiring intense gas-liquid interactions. Installation is key. We recommend thorough planning and following best practices to ensure optimal performance. From setting up support plates to carefully installing packing materials, attention to detail can prevent common issues like fouling and blockages. Regular maintenance checks also keep your system running smoothly, maximizing longevity and efficiency. In conclusion, the right packing and internal components are crucial for the success of packed columns. At Stanford Advanced Materials, we provide top-notch solutions that enhance performance and reliability across various industrial applications. Ready to optimize your packed columns? Visit our website today to learn more and get in touch with our experts.